Kia ora. In this session we're looking at verbal clauses. In Maori there are two ways of changing the verb into an action. For example, we can use e plus verb plus ana. Or we could use kei te plus verb. When we're using either kei te or e ana, that changes the verb from, for example, e tu ana. If we were using just the word tu, that would mean stand. It could also mean stop. We'll just stay with stand today. However, if we were to use e tu ana, we would change that to stand dang, standing. So in other words, the e plus the ana is adding on the ing to the verb. If we were to use kei te tu, we would be adding again the ing to the word stand, standing. So e tu ana, standing, kei te tu, standing also. Kia ora.